Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the surface reachable and clean. Remove the case and any magnetic mounts, they can flex the panel. Next, wipe the screen with a microfiber cloth soaked lightly in 70% isopropyl alcohol, moving in one direction to lift oils. Once done, inspect for old screen protectors. Peel them if they are scratched or thick. Make sure the screen is dry before touching. This immediate cleanup reduces friction and restores baseline responsiveness right away. Now you modify software settings that control smoothness. Open display or game mode and set the refresh rate to the highest available, like 90 or 120 Hz. This improves frame updates. Then enable high touch sampling rate in game mode or developer options to reduce input lag. Turn off system animations and, if your phone supports it, enable hardware-accelerated rendering to prioritize frame delivery. Make sure power saving is off during play, because throttling lowers both refresh and touch responsiveness. Finish by applying a thin oliphobic protector or a high-quality tempered glass, one designed for gaming to keep glide and preserve touch sensitivity. Then run a touch latency test or play a quick aiming drill to confirm improvement. If response still feels off, restart the phone and retest. Persistent lag often means the protector is incompatible, the case is pressing the edge, or background apps are throttling CPU. If that happens, remove the protector, clean again, and reinstall only the best fit option.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.